Your code isn't scaling to millions of users. You just have an unhandled memory leak. But let's pretend you need a massive enterprise backend anyway. Building an app is simple. You hook up a backend as a service and pray your credit card doesn't melt. You choose Firebase and your relational data gets trapped in a giant nested JSON hellhole. That requires a PhD in NoSQL just to query a user profile. So you migrate to Supabase for that sweet, sweet Postgres power. Everything is beautiful until you accidentally trigger an infinite use effect fetch loop over the weekend. Instantly obliterate your free limits and get slapped with an aggressive give us $25 a month right now or your project goes to sleep cloud ransom note. If you're tired of being held hostage by the cloud cartel, it's time to look at Postbase, the open source alternative that doesn't view your bank account as a personal piggy bank. Postbase turns any basic Postgres database into a fully automatic backend. It layers a blazing fast Go engine over your data, instantly generating secure REST and GraphQL endpoints so you can stop writing boilerplate express routes and start questioning your life choices. For authentication, it drops over 30 auth providers straight into your lap. It handles complex flows like native iOS sign-in with Apple seamlessly, allowing you to launch on the App Store without crying yourself to sleep over auth configuration. But here's the real kicker for the serial side hustlers. Instead of spinning up a brand new paid server instance for every single micro-SaaS ideas that will inevitably make $0, Postbase lets you build multiple organizations and infinite projects completely isolated inside the exact same Postgres database. One database, infinite project, zero extra bill. To host it, skip the essential dread of Docker trauma entirely. Go to Railway, click the glorious deploy with template button, and 30 seconds later, it spits out a live production URI before your coffee even finishes brewing. Pop the JavaScript SDK into your front-end call for instant real-time WebSocket updates and enjoy absolute data sovereignty. This has been Postbase in 2 minutes. Hit the like button to save your wallet, and I'll see you in the next one.